Hello everyone, today we're going to be working on a beautiful terracotta set. I've already made this pendant as well as earrings. I'll leave the link in the description box below on how I made these. These are beautifully bisque fired and ready to be painted upon. The paints that I'm going to be using are antique gold, hunter green and light olive green. The paint brushes are 6 and 1 being the liner brush. Now the reason I have 2 shades of green over here is because I'm going to be mixing them. That'll give me a really nice, beautiful shade of dark green. This set uses just these 2 colors, this beautiful lovely green and gold. The ghungroo beads are going to be painted in gold. I dab a little bit of gold paint just in that one strip where this particular design has been done. I'll repeat the same thing for the earrings as well, and this is undiluted gold paint. Just touch up a little bit where the gold has gone beyond the lines. I redo the gold lines. This just helps get a much more neater finish. Green and gold is a beautiful combination. It's one of my favorites, especially this particular shade of green. Once the paint has dried, we can varnish it. This is the product I use, and using a soft bristle brush, I apply a nice even coat all over. And once the varnish is dried, we can assemble this set. This is a black nylon cord. The approximate thickness is 3 to 4 mm. Green color thread beads, earring hooks, orange color wooden beads, and my pliers. We begin by assembling the earrings. Now for the pendant, so this is a really nice different twist. Also I think green and orange is a beautiful classic combination again, so that's probably why I was thinking, you know, it'll be nice to actually bring in a different color as well. So that's the assembling. There's an orange bead, green thread bead, followed again by an orange bead, and then the pendant, and it's repeated on the other side. I knot both the ends. This just helps the pendant as well as the wooden beads stay in place. put both the cords in through this brown color wooden bead. This just helps with adjusting the length of the chain. Just helps the cord become adjustable. I knot both the ends together and work on the tassel. Trim off the excess. Burn the ends. This is just so that the cords don't fray and everything just stays in place. And there you go. This beautiful set is ready. It's a lovely green color. It's got a nice traditional appearance as well. Probably looks like a sari border. So I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please do let me know what you think of the video in the comments. Please like the video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for watching.